Alright guys, I know you saw in the comment section, just taking a drive through of the different plazas. This one is mainly closed. This one is souvenirs and jewelers, but it's mainly closed. Some of these plazas is catered towards tourists, but we know with the COVID thing there's a drastic reduction in tourists. Alright, so that was one of the plazas in OCHI Rios. So we're just gonna drive through a few of them so we can show you guys around the place. Alright, so I think this is plaza number 2. Alright, so again, couple souvenir shops. Nice design, unique design as well. Some architectural designs. Alright, I think I'm on the wrong side. Let me turn back and take the left. So a lot of souvenir shops, shops catered to tourists. Gift items, we see cambios, restaurants, bars, grills, Gem Palace, Smiling Island Grill and Bar, Diamonds, House of Diamonds, Jurila, Mavado. So a lot of different stuff here. Alright, so just showing you guys around some of the plazas in OCHI Rios. So if you ever come this side and thinking about shopping, Diamonds Forever Duty Free Jewelers. Again, more souvenir, attire Jamaican style. Gift Palace. Alright. So good size plaza, they use up the space well. So the plaza is almost a circle. The only other thing they could have done is probably underground parking, but could use a space. I think in front of us is a villa slash hotel slash apartment. Alright, so let's head on to the other plaza. Alright, so this is another plaza right here. There's also a beach over this side as well. So you have shops on the right, insurance, you have Knutsford Express to ship packages. Yeah, again, you have more jewelers, boutiques, and then the beach down this side. So this is the OCHI Rios Bay Beach, and this plaza is the Ocean Village Shopping Center. So the beach seems to be closed, I guess due to COVID. Alright, so design goes a far way. If you realize with this plaza, it has a lot of space compared to the one we're coming from, but yet just a few shops. You know, the use of space here is poor. They could have gotten a lot more shops over here. Just looking at the design and comparing it with the one we're just coming from just now. Alright, so we're gonna head back out to the main and, you know, try to go look on some other plazas for you guys. Alright, so we just passed KFC on the right. Alright, so this one is the OCHI RIOS shopping center slash the OCHI RIOS commercial center. So again, there's some plazas on the left. Again, food, restaurant, clothes, jewelry. And then we have Joseph. That's a department store, clothes and other stuff like that. Alright, so this is another plaza in OCHI RIOS. And again, guys, leave your comments. Let me know what you think about these different plazas. Just let me know if any of them catch your eyes or you visit any of them regularly. There's a supermarket over here as well, general food. Alright guys, so we're now exiting. Alright guys, so another plaza. We have Burger King on the front. And then the shopping area inside. So this one has a lot of shops. It has 2 floors. We have Little Caesars, Access Financial. So this one has a lot more local entities. You know, gambling, betting, digital, clothes, store, proactive lifestyle, computer supplies, doctor's office. So yeah, this one has a lot more local stores, local entities. So this one is what, one way in. This one is a one-way in and a separate way to exit. Alright, so this one that we're exiting is Island Plaza. That's what it's called. I wonder if this is a one-way. Alright, so Not sure if this is a one-way. Just gonna chance it and see. Alright, so heading back out to the main. Alright guys, so one last plaza to show you and then we probably end off the video there. Alright guys, so this is the final plaza we're checking out, Sony's Plaza. And then we basically end the video. This one is a mixture of food, gift shops, duty-free shopping, and other local entities as well. So we have souvenirs, Yemen gift shop, Mohan's duty-free, diamonds, emeralds, jewelry, First Global Bank, Bar and Grill, Diamonds Forever. So this one is a mixture of gifts, and again most of these shops are geared towards tourists, so you'll see the consistent different types of shops. You have Flow here, a local entity, so it's just a mixture of both. You have First Global Bank, AIM Financial, Crichton Insurance, SSMC Express International. So this one is a mixture, but again just showing you guys around the different plazas in OCHI Rios, so you can have, you know, a good idea of the different shopping areas, the different shopping districts, you know, where to go, what to get. So again guys, remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share as well, so that the channel can continue growing. And thanks to everyone for the continued support, and you guys stay tuned for another video coming up soon. I know we did quite some videos on OCHI Rios, spent a little time this side, so I try not to only show Kingston, but I try to show as much of Jamaica as possible, whether it's a drive through the town, whether it's a drive of a new development, a shopping center, plaza, mall, apartment, Airbnb. So we try to cover as much of Jamaica as possible. So see you on another video guys, and thanks for watching.